Hey, what's up everyone? Don't feel like talking to strangers in Messenger? In this video, I will show you how to move the messages to spam in Messenger. So let's start right away. So after the new update in Messenger, you cannot directly move the messages to spam, but you can restrict them instead. So if you need to move the messages to spam, you will have to go through the web browser. So tap on the particular message that you want to move to spam. Then tap on that little box icon at the top right corner of the screen, which is this. So this will allow you to choose an action, and from here tap on ignore messages. Tap on ignore messages. Then boom, the messages are ignored now. So if you go to the message request, you can see that the message has been moved to spam. Now, if they text you or even call you, you won't be getting the notifications. So that's how you move the messages to spam in Messenger, guys. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.